Welcome, folks. I'm going to try to maybe catch a few minnows this evening. Heard the fish are biting, so I'll stay tuned. Let's see if we can catch some minnows. So the method I'm going to be using today is a throw net. Just like 1/4 inch holes all throughout it. Minnows can't, their bellies get wrapped up in it, and so they can't swim through. When you throw it over top of them and you pull it back, and it just grabs them basically. So I'll demonstrate it and show you some techniques and see how it works. I kind of like to get down here and start walking up, and you can kind of start schooling them together as you get up through here. These nets, you can't hardly throw them on a gravel bottom, so you're trying to look for that slate rock, and it's deep right here, so we'll just see how it works, and maybe we'll snag a few. Not a very good throw. Terrible throw, actually. We didn't catch nothing. So, anyways, good little demonstration. We'll walk on up where the water's not as deep. That'll help some. And hopefully we kind of schooled them up there where it's a little more shallower. Maybe they'll be up there. Be a bad day to fall in. It's cold. Water's, I bet it's freezing. That one opened up good. But, oh, we got one minnow. One. We call black suckers. And that's what we got. It's a black sucker minnow. It is a perfect size minnow for what we're doing, what fish we'll be targeting. Perfect. We're headed back up the creek a little bit. I'm not having a lot of luck catching these minnows. They like to stay in this deeper water here. You can kind of see the blue and green. Can't hardly throw your net in there. Well, you can throw it all you want, but they can swim out from under it real quick. But these shoals, they ain't hardly moved up on them yet. But keep trying. I think I got 6. I'd be pretty tickled if I could get at least 2 to 3 dozen, but I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't have my yak tracks for my boots. It's just a little deal here. Just got little metal teeth that'll grip that slate rock when you're walking across it. Helps you not fall. If I can find a spot to cross, I will. We'll keep trying. If not, maybe me and my dad can come out here in the morning, maybe catch a few more. May have to go buy some night crawlers too, but I'm gonna keep trying. Well, minnow catching is rough this evening. That whole time I was gone, I caught 1 minnow, and that's not very good. I probably threw it 5, 6, 7 times, I guess. There's times where I can come by myself, which I'm by myself right now, but I can sometimes make 2 or 3 throws when the minnows are just where you want them to be and catch. Sometimes I have to start throwing them back. I catch so many. But that's not the problem today. But about to get dark. Keep trying a little more. See what happens. Maybe we can snag a few more if we get lucky. We'll see. Show you what we do have. We got 7 or 8 swimming around in there. And then probably catch a few fish. I think I made 2 or 3 more throws after I cut the camera. And I caught one, I think, in one throw, and then I caught 7 in another throw. So I don't know how many I got. Not hardly 2 dozen, but there's probably, I don't know, there might be 20 in there, close to it. We may try to catch a few more minnows in the morning, not really sure yet. Stay tuned. Good morning, good morning. It is the day after Easter this morning. I'm off work today, so that's nice. Me and Dad's gonna try to go fishing. I hear the wind blowing a little, but it's warm, so we'll see. But easing around the edge of the house here. Let's see if I hear any of my friends down here. Let's see. They got them under there. All right, let's go get our minnows and go fishing. Yes. It looks really nice. That minnow I put on is a good live one, so it looks good over in there. Get hung up, hopefully. Something hit the water down there, about where your line's at. But I'm close. You ain't far. Yeah. Not much. You need a net. Pretty good smallmouth, but like that other. He's a little bit bigger, not much. I'll untie that for me. Two pretty good thieves. Tied good, ain't it? Looks like it. Oh yeah. Wearing them out. Pretty good when you get the net this time. Still net if you want me to. Pretty good smallmouth. Another keeper. Just where he's sideways in that current. I think his hook or line might have been up his gill area or something. Never had. Oh yeah. Yeah, they just not letting me know. Weird how it's biting because it is like he didn't even, like he didn't bite it, you know. Big flutter to the butt off. Yeah, he You said like I didn't even know I had him.
Sometimes they'll just swallow them like that. Just lay there gonna enjoy their meal, I reckon.
I swallowed her. You can see it, I just can't get it. There. That makes 4.
Tie it off before you throw it in.
Be bad to lose them.
I've let strangers go before.
That was definitely a fish, I hope.
He come back, didn't he? This out of the way.
Oh yeah. It was good, but
Back you good.
yeah.
Take your time with him.
Really nice smallmouth. Monster, but he felt just barely hooked. He's hooked good, but he felt bigger than what he was, but he's still good enough.
He's about to catch up now.
Nice, good minnow. Done that.
Just get a little weight to it.
Yeah.
Look at God.
Something popped mine, but it
Seems like a swirl on top right there. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. That feels heavy. That's heavy, Jake.
pretty good smallie.
Right there, the story. That's not the way.
That's how that did me earlier. Oh yeah, he's a good one. You can bring him up. Man, that's a hoss. Yeah. That's a big one there. That might be a mountain. That's a giant.
Got a tape?
I think I do.
That's nice. That's a good 4-pounder in it.
I would say so. That may be.
Fat too. I believe he's 21, Jake. Big as I thought, but
Fat.
I think I may know him.
18. Yeah, I mean,
Hey,
he's heavy. I guess it's. He looks like he weighs every bit of 4 pounds.
He's a horse, so he's a mountain. He makes the rest of them look little.
Yeah, I knew when he splashed over here to our right. I said, that's a big one. Yeah, he's way bigger than any of them.
We're almost wound up with this mess of feet.
Yeah.
We ain't done yet. Huge.
He's very fat and thick and just not. He's 18 inches long.
I would have bet he was over 20.
When he first brought him up, I did too.
He's heavy. Whew, that's fun.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to jerk it there where I was at. He's right in there. Right toward you. That mistaken gore. Guaranteed. He's about right in there where yours is.
We'll see, I guess.
Let it again.
Usually it don't seem like they bother stuff usually as much this time of year. I caught one time at Stacy's.
I've caught a few. And usually when you do catch him, they'll cut your line.
I just let him have my line. I guess he just finally had it long enough he just swallowed it.
Now I got him. That may be a pretty good one, Jake.
I think it looked like a smallmouth. Ooh, the fighter.
Ooh, he's sideways out there in the water.
Yeah. We'll take it.
Good as I thought, but
He must have just been.
he must have just been swimming along up the river enough where I just feel him every once in a while. We'd cry for watching them go bye-bye, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Pretty good mess of feed.
Yeah. the haul from this morning. This is the big one. My dad caught it. He really thought about mounting it, but he decided not to. Got 6 others here. A lot of people probably frown upon.
Is this the mama one?
It might be a mama. I don't think a lot of people eat smallmouth. They don't want you to catch them and eat them, but we like to. We'll take all of them we can get.
That's the grandpa one.
Maggie, do you want to eat some of these fish?
We'll have a fish fry with everybody, won't we?
We will. This one here is really dark.
Oh.
They don't even look like the same fish.
Yeah, that one moved.
Yeah, they're still alive. Just
It's
a
a
little
smallmouth too.
bit. They're all smallmouth bass. This one's just really dark. Maybe somebody might know what the difference is, but I don't.
Maggie, what do you think of them fish?
But I have a scale here. I'm gonna weigh this big one for my dad so he can know how much it weighed.
Dad, look at that one move.
We're gonna weigh this one. How much? Let's see. Who wants to guess how much it weighs? How much do you think this?
Pounds.
You think it weighs 10 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay,
How much did yours weigh that you mounted?
4.5.
Okay,
I think
I'm
this
gonna
one's
guess.
Daddy,
Wait, I wanna
can
guess.
Plus the mama one.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna guess 3.5 pounds.
I think it's gonna be very close to 4. I don't know. I'm gonna just say 4 exactly.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Oh wow, it's not as heavy as I thought. 3.5.
Mommy won.
Let me zero it out again and check it again.
Oh, I couldn't possibly be right.
And this
Huh?
3 pounds, 5 ounces. That's a big smallmouth bass out of the Buffalo River.
What do you think, Pearl?
Also, I didn't get any on camera, but Maggie helped me catch all the bait. Catch these fish.
Did you,
Didn't
Pearl?
you, Maggie?
Mhm.
You were good at it. I wish I had videoed this.
Maggie's eating goldfish.
She's ready for some real fish.
Yeah.
So, here are the final product of our fish. That's from our big one. It's 3 or 4 good size fillets of meat right there. And so, a lot of these are already nice and clean anyways. That one's bloody for some reason. But I'm gonna soak them in water, put some ice on them, stick them in the refrigerator for a while with some salt. Let them clean up good, get them good and white. When I get done doing that, I'll put them in a freezer bag and put them in that so we can, I'll just put them in the freezer. We'll have us a little fish fry with the family at some point. That's when we'll eat them. Hope y'all liked our video. Maybe we'll get to go fishing again. I hope to do some bank lining before long. Show you what that's like. I enjoy that. That's a good way to catch some catfish and get a good amount of meat. Anyway, we'll clean these up. We'll get them took care of, put in the freezer. Hope y'all enjoyed our video. God bless you. And thanks for watching.
Subscribe on the video.
Okay, subscribe.